Alright, see if we can install this little light pod thing. You gotta pop the the hood. I'm an idiot. Alright, let me put this down real quick. Alright, well, first thing we gotta do, see if the light works. So we're gonna touch it to the battery terminals, put the negative on the negative. There's not very much wire hanging out. Let's see. Oh yeah, it lit up. That's pretty sweet. Let's touch it for good. That's pretty sick. Alright, now we just gotta find the middle. Then I gotta figure out where I want to line it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe everything down real quick. It's mostly wiped down, just drying it off now. And then we will find the middle, line that sucker up. Hopefully it sticks. Alright, so there's two parts to it. There's a little rounded edge. Let's see if I can get it closer to the camera. Little rounded edge right there, then the flat edge. Obviously you got to make sure that the rounded edge is facing out. That is the light. So we're just going to lay it down first. See how far it goes. You can cut it at the end and it should still work. There's a little rubber stopper right there, but the more light the merrier is what I say. So we'll see. It goes pretty high up there. Alright, let's see where it connects in the middle. This would be much easier if it was at night. I might have to do this again tonight. It's easier to see the light. I mean, it's pretty even. I see lines on the car. I can use money. Oh. Still got to make sure that we find the exact middle and then mark it. So we got to see where these little dots actually touch. This is the toughest part right here. I'm gonna pause the camera because I'm an idiot. And it was about 78.5 inches, just under. So the middle is like 39 and an eighth, essentially. So we can line up the middle. I'm going to use the camera, the eyesight right here, that front camera, as the middle point. And that's how I'll kind of know. It probably won't be exact, but close enough where hopefully nobody notices. Let's see how far that one goes up on that side. See if it's somewhat even. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's about 3 inches up on that side. Perfect. Oh, diggity dog. I gotta close the trunk. So I think I'm gonna line it right there because the trunk lid gets a little awkward on the corner right there. I don't know if it would actually stay. So we're going right there. Alright, so it should work on the little lip right there. It should actually fit perfectly right in there. And then I'm just going to draw it down. I know that's pretty tight, weird looking right there. So I'm just going to make it work as well as I can, and then beautiful. But since that's an open end wire right there, where's she at? And there they are. We need some of these guys. That's as low as it goes. Alright, well, where's that damn camera? We need one of these. I think we need a mini guy. There we go. We need this guy. See that? And then that. Those will go right in there. I'm going to open that up a little bit. Alright. We're going to start the car and see if it works. I got it all plugged up. It's kind of hard to see in that jumble of wires, but it is clean in there. But what I did is put a mini fuse. I put two 15s in it because I couldn't find 120 in my pile of fuses. And then with the ground, you got to put this on the end of it. And then I just grounded that sucker right there with the other ones. So we're gonna find out. Let's see if it lights up. Hopefully it is not too dark to see. Did it light up? Tell me it lit up. Oh, it is lit. That's what I'm talking about. Yummy. And then it should turn off with a battery. It's still on. And boom, it turned off. Fuck yeah. Boys and girls, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, time to, Alright, well, we're gonna see if we can get this pretty straight. Wish me luck. Because, yeah. That's the middle, I marked it. Oh, shit. Alright, close the trunk real quick. Well, I'm just going to keep it as close to the edge as possible. Wires. Like that. That's perfect. Peel a little. Stick a little. Oh, it's sticky. It's definitely sticky. I hope that's the middle. I so hope that's the middle. Feel a little, stick a little. Keep it as tight as possible. God, I hope this looks good. This is a tough part in this little corner over here. I'll show you in a second, but we're just going to do this as tight as possible and then bring it back up around. I think that's going to work, boys. I think that's going to work, boys and girls. Oh yeah. Let's get in that little look. Push it back as far as possible. I don't even know if you can see me in the camera. Probably not. Well, I got one side done. I'll show you the corner I'm talking about. I might have to put a little bit of sealant behind it just to make sure that it stays. On to the next side. Oh, hello. Hello. Actually, I don't think that's going anywhere. Wrap it around just a little bit. Well, it's definitely in the center. Let's push it all down. Let me give you a peek. A little sneaky peeky. I mean, it's pretty sticky 3M, and that's pretty clean. There's a line right on the light right here, and it lines up perfectly on that side. Chitty chitty bang bang. Close enough. It's like a millimeter. Giddy up. I'm going to fix the wires, make it all pretty, and hopefully take another video when it's night out. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope looking. I might have to put some black tape over the top of that, but I don't mind the red, actually.